Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And first method, come to this www.gigabyte.com. Come to this website. This is the Gigabyte officially website. Then click to see here the search button. Then type your model number of your motherboard B550M DSL3H ACR2 and then hit enter. Okay, and then seek an product. And click on see this is motherboard. So guys, then click to support. Select your operating system that is using Windows 10, 11 if any use, but installations process same. LAN driver. So you can see this is LAN driver, and just click to download and just single click to open and double click to exe file. Now click into yes. Now this is the LAN driver it is installing. So it is closed means this is installed.